That's beautiful. Today we are doing something very special. We are unboxing the Uni Karu 16. That means it's gonna be really big. We're about to be making some big pies today. Yeah. Woo! Oh, that's the door, son? Look at that. All the vision I'm about to get. And now the moment that we've all been waiting for. I'm so happy about this. With Uni ovens, setup is usually very simple. And of course, put a lot of wood in there. It's about to get real hot. How dope is this, by the way? Infrared thermometer, you already know how hot that's gonna be. All right, look at that. That's beautiful. I've been waiting for Uni Karu 16 for a long time, and it's finally here. This literally been like 5 minutes, man. It's hot in there. Ooh. We about to be eating good. And there it is, that's the beauty I was waiting for. Uni Karu 16, busted it out. Nice hot temperature, love the cooking surface. I'm sweating because it's hot.